if x equals to 3, y equals to 4, what is the value of x plus y square minus x minus y whole square? Usually maximum people will put the value like 3 plus 2 whole square minus y means 4, right? 4, and here is x means 3 minus y means 4 whole square. So 3 plus 4 is a 7 square, it means what? 49, and minus 3 minus 4 is a minus 1 square means 1. So our answer is 48. But this is the worst way to solve these kinds of problem. It's a very simple thing. X plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square means 4xy. Just you put the value 4 times x means 3, y times 4. So what? 3 times 4 is a 12, 12 times 4 is a 48, and 48 is our right answer. Don't use direct, put the value. Thank you.